guys, today I'm gonna show you how I did these nails, and if you're interested in how I did them, just keep on watching. So we started off with her 7 weeks old nails, and I just removed the cuticles and cleaned them, and yeah, like I prepped the nails as I usually do. After that, I just took my electric file and started to file off the color, and I even shortened the nails because she wanted them shorter than usually, I guess. And these are her own nails, so it's not any tip or anything on them, it's just her own nails. And after I remove the color and shorten them, I always shape them, and that's just because I want to start off a new set on a nice base, kind of. So I shape them and all that. And here I've put on primer, and now I'm putting the second layer of my primer on, and after that I will put on a base gel layer, but I am not sure if I filmed that, so you will see. And by the way, I broke 2 nails on New Year's Eve, so that's why I have no nail on my pinky finger and my middle finger. So yeah, and here I'm just extending the nail because her nail was broken, so I fixed that one, and I will also fix the thumbnail. You will see that. And meanwhile I'm fixing the nails, I'm also putting builder gel on all of the other nails that are not broken. So yeah. So the first time I'm just extending the nail, and the second time I'm putting builder gel all over the nail and also over the extended part. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You may already know this, but every time I put builder gel on the nail, I ask my client to turn her nail upside down so the gel can level itself, and that makes that nice curve. And when I'm done with putting builder gel on all of the nails, I file them and I shape them, and that's what I am doing right now. So yeah. After I've filed them and shaped them, this is what they look like. Am I the only one that loves how they look? Like, I think they look so nice without any color or anything on them, just shaped and filed. And now now it's time for the color. So I'm using a color from a brand called Auden, I think. This is the number 16 and it's such a nice color. I love this color. I put 2 layers of the color and then I am putting a top gel or a top coat, and that's what I'm doing right now. After I've cured them, this is what they look like. The white dots on the nails, it's actually dust. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is the final result. If you liked it, please leave a comment down below and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you in my next video.